Alright, ever feel like you're watching the future of finance unfold, but you're stuck on the sidelines, wondering, how do I actually get in on this Bitcoin thing? You've heard the buzz, the potential, maybe even the wild price swings, and you're thinking, yeah, I want a piece of that. But then, you hit a wall. Where do you even start? How do you buy Bitcoin, and more importantly, how do you do it safely? Let's be real, the crypto world can seem intimidating. Jargon like wallets, keys, and exchanges gets thrown around like confetti, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. You're not alone. Millions of people are asking the same question: how do I buy Bitcoin without getting scammed or lost in the technical weeds? Today, we're going to demystify the process and focus on one of the most reputable platforms out there, Gemini. We'll walk through the steps, from setting up your account to actually buying your first Bitcoin, in a way that's clear, concise, and, hopefully, a little bit fun. But before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch on the why. Why Bitcoin? Why now? While I'm not here to give financial advice, it's worth understanding the core appeal. Bitcoin, at its heart, is a decentralized digital currency. That means it's not controlled by any single government or financial institution. It's designed to be a peer-to-peer system, allowing for secure and transparent transactions. For many, this represents a hedge against inflation, a store of value, and a potential disruptor to the traditional financial system. For others, it's simply a fascinating technological experiment. Whatever your reason, understanding the basics is crucial before investing any money. Now, let's get into the practical side of things. We're going to focus on Gemini because it's known for its strong security measures, user-friendly interface, and regulatory compliance. This makes it a great option for beginners and experienced traders alike. Step 1. Creating your Gemini account. The first step is to head over to Gemini.com and click Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter your full name, email address, and create a strong password. Remember, security is paramount in the crypto world, so choose a unique password and consider using a password manager. Once you've filled out the basic information, you'll need to verify your email address. Gemini will send you a verification link, so click on it to confirm your account. Next, you'll be asked to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a crucial security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your account. You can choose between using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or receiving codes via SMS. I highly recommend using an authenticator app for enhanced security. Step 2. Completing identity verification, KYC. Like most reputable exchanges, Gemini requires you to complete a Know Your Customer, KYC, process. This is a legal requirement designed to prevent money laundering and other illicit activities. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your address, date of birth, and social security number or equivalent for your country. You'll also need to upload a photo of a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. The verification process typically takes a few minutes, but it can sometimes take longer depending on the volume of applications. Once your identity is verified, you'll have full access to Gemini's features. Step 3. Linking your bank account. Now that your account is set up and verified, it's time to link your bank account. This will allow you to deposit funds into your Gemini account and buy Bitcoin. Gemini offers several options for linking your bank account, including ACH transfers and wire transfers. ACH transfers are generally the most convenient and cost-effective option for most users. To link your bank account, go to the funding section of your Gemini account and select Deposit. Choose Bank Transfer, ACH, and follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. You'll need to verify your bank account by confirming small test deposits that Gemini will make into your account. Step 4. Depositing funds. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you can deposit funds into your Gemini account. The time it takes for your funds to become available will vary depending on your bank and the type of transfer you use. ACH transfers typically take a few business days. Before you deposit any funds, it's important to understand the fees associated with buying and selling Bitcoin on Gemini. Gemini charges a transaction fee for each trade, as well as a convenience fee for using its platform. Be sure to review the fee schedule on Gemini's website before making any trades. Step 5. Buying Bitcoin. Now for the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. Once your funds are available in your Gemini account, you can navigate to the trade section and select the BTC/USD trading pair. You'll have a few different order types to choose from, including market orders, limit orders, and stop limit orders. Market order. This is the simplest type of order. It allows you to buy Bitcoin at the current market price. Limit order. This allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy Bitcoin. Your order will only be executed if the market price reaches your specified price. Stop limit order. This allows you to set a stop price and a limit price. Your order will only be executed if the market price reaches your stop price and then your limit price. For beginners, a market order is generally the easiest option. Simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and click Buy. Step 6. Securing your Bitcoin. Once you've purchased your Bitcoin, it's crucial to secure it properly. While Gemini is a reputable exchange, it's generally not recommended to leave large amounts of Bitcoin on an exchange for extended periods. The most secure way to store your Bitcoin is in a hardware wallet. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making them virtually immune to hacking. The crypto market is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed. Read reputable news sources, follow industry experts, and educate yourself on the latest developments. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Bitcoin is a volatile asset, and its price can fluctuate significantly. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable. Avoid scams. Be wary of scams and phishing attempts. Never share your private keys or login credentials with anyone. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Tax implications. Be aware of the tax implications of buying and selling Bitcoin. Consult with a tax professional to ensure you're complying with all applicable tax laws. Use Gemini Active Trader, advanced for more advanced traders. Gemini offers Active Trader, a platform with lower fees and more advanced trading tools. Gemini Earn and Gemini Staking. Gemini offers services to earn interest on your crypto. Research the risks and benefits before using these features. Buying Bitcoin on Gemini is a straightforward process, but it's important to take the time to understand the basics and follow the necessary security precautions. By taking these steps, you can confidently navigate the world of cryptocurrency and take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.